If you're over 60 and want to keep walking, gardening, traveling, and enjoying daily life without pain or fatigue, this video is for you. Today, I want to talk to you like I would a family member, calmly, honestly, and with your long-term health in mind. We're going to cover two powerful topics that can quietly change how your body feels as you age. First, simple, safe squats designed specifically for seniors. And a little later, common everyday foods that may be silently damaging aging bodies and what to eat instead. Nothing extreme, nothing complicated, just practical guidance you can actually use. Why strength matters after 60. As we get older, muscle loss doesn't happen overnight. It slowly creeps in. After age 50, adults can lose up to 1 to 2% of muscle mass every year if they don't stay active. This affects balance, walking speed, joint stability, and even independence. Weak legs are one of the biggest reasons seniors struggle with getting out of chairs, climbing stairs, avoiding falls. The good news? Your body can still respond at any age, and one of the safest, most effective movements to protect your independence is a properly modified squat.
Reframing squats for seniors. Now, when many people hear the word squat, they imagine deep gym squats or painful knee strain. But senior squats are different. These are functional squats, movements that train the exact muscles you use every single day. Standing up from a chair, sitting down safely, reaching and bending without losing balance. When done correctly, squats strengthen thighs, hip, and glutes, support knee and lower back health, improve balance and confidence, and most importantly, they help you stay independent longer. Simple chair squat, step by step. Let's start with the safest option, the chair squat. Here's how to do it gently and correctly. 1. Stand in front of a sturdy chair with your feet shoulder-width apart. 2. Hold the chair or place your hands on your thighs. Slowly lower yourself as if you were about to sit.
4. Lightly touch the chair. Then, gently stand back up. Move slowly. Breathe out as you stand. Even 5 to 8 repetitions is enough to send a powerful message to your muscles. We still need strength here. Encouragement and safety. If you feel shaky, that's okay. If you need to hold on to a countertop, that's smart. If you can only do 1 or 2 today, that still counts. Consistency matters far more than intensity. And remember, strength building is one of the best protections against falls, which are a leading cause of injury after 60. Now here's something many people don't realize. You can do all the right exercises, but if your daily diet is working against your muscles and joints, progress becomes much harder.
Too much sodium makes the body hold extra fluid, which increases blood pressure and forces joints to work harder. Over time, this can increase discomfort in knees, hips, and lower back, especially when trying to stay mobile. Better options? Choose lean, simple proteins. Baked chicken or turkey, eggs, fish like salmon or sardines, lentils and beans. Protein helps preserve muscle, especially important after 60. Hidden sugars and sweetened drinks. Now here's one that surprises many people. Hidden sugars. Sugary drinks, flavored yogurts, juice blends, and even some health bars contain more sugar than dessert. Too much sugar feeds inflammation, weakens muscles, interferes with balance and energy. And when muscles are constantly battling inflammation, exercises like squats feel much harder than they should. Smarter swaps? Water with lemon, unsweetened tea, plain yogurt with berries, whole fruits instead of juice. These nourish the body without sudden sugar spikes. Connecting food to strength and squats? Here's the key connection I want you to remember. Exercise builds strength, but food decides how well your body responds. When inflammation is lower, squats feel easier, muscles recover faster, joints feel more supported. That's when progress becomes noticeable, even with gentle movements.
A second safe squat for seniors, the supported wall squat. Now that we've talked about movement and food working together, let me show you another very gentle squat that many seniors find even more comfortable. This one is called the supported wall squat, and it's excellent for people with sensitive knees or balance concerns. Here's how to do it safely. Stand with your back against a wall. Place your feet about 1 foot away from the wall, shoulder width apart. Slide down just a few inches, not deep. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then slowly stand back up. Your back stays supported the entire time, which reduces strain on the knees and lower back. Even 2 or 3 repetitions are beneficial. Why this squat helps aging joints. This type of squat builds isometric strength, strength without movement. That kind of strength stabilizes knee joints, protects hips, trains muscles to support you during daily activities. It's especially helpful if standing up and sitting down feels difficult or painful. And remember, pain is not the goal. Comfort and consistency are. Foods that protect joints, muscles, and bones. Now let's talk about foods that actively support joint comfort and muscle strength. First, powered by nature fats. Healthy fats reduce inflammation and lubricate joints. Great choices include olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. Just 1 to 2 servings per day can make a noticeable difference in joint stiffness over time. Protein timing for seniors. Next, let's talk about protein timing, something most older adults have never been taught. After simple exercises like squats, your muscles are more receptive to repair and rebuilding. That's the perfect time to include protein. Good options: eggs with vegetables, Greek yogurt, lentil soup, fish with steamed vegetables. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal spread throughout the day, not all at once. Anti-inflammatory foods for longevity.
And finally, consider anti-inflammatory foods that protect long-term health. Berries, leafy greens, turmeric and ginger, fatty fish. These foods help calm the low-grade inflammation that often increases with age. Less inflammation means easier movement, better balance, more energy for daily. You don't need perfection. You don't need intense workouts. You need small, steady habits that respect your body. 1 or 2 squats, 1 better food choice, 1 kind step toward yourself. That's how strength grows after 60.
Putting it all together, a simple daily routine. Let's bring everything together into something simple, something you can actually stick with. You don't need a long workout or a complicated plan. Here's a gentle daily routine for seniors that supports strength, balance, and confidence. Morning or midday, 5 to 8 chair squats. Later in the day, 2 to 3 supported wall squats, holding for 5 to 10 seconds. After movement, a meal or snack with protein and healthy fats. This entire routine can take less than 10 minutes, but when repeated consistently, it helps protect your independence. Now, let me share the biggest mistake I see older adults make when trying to stay strong. They stop when it feels uncomfortable, not painful, just unfamiliar. Muscles that haven't been used in a while often feel weak or shaky at first. That doesn't mean damage, it means activation. Of course, sharp pain is a signal to stop. But gentle effort is necessary for muscles to stay alive and supportive. The key is slow progress, not perfection.
Why it's never too late. I want you to hear this clearly. Your body does not have an expiration date. Research shows adults in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s can still build muscle, improve balance,
reduce fall risk. The body responds to movement at any age. What matters is choosing the right movements and supportive nutrition. Long-term benefits you can expect. With consistency, many seniors notice standing up feels easier, walking feels steadier, knees feel more supported, energy improves. These are not dramatic transformations, they're life-changing improvements. Encouraging close and call to action. If this video helped you, take a moment to be proud of yourself. Learning how to care for your body is one of the most powerful things you can do. Try one squat today. Choose one better food tomorrow. And keep going. If you'd like more gentle guidance like this, subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone you care about. Your strength still matters, and it's never too late to protect it.